Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Apple Pay is ready in Wallet and that your preferred card shows as default. Open the Ticketmaster app or Safari and sign into your account so purchasing is streamlined. Once done, search the event and pick your seats. You want to reach the checkout screen where Apple Pay is offered. Make sure shipping or delivery method is compatible with Apple Pay. If not, change it now so the Apple Pay button appears at payment. At checkout, tap the Apple Pay button and review the payment summary that appears. Billing address, contact info, and delivery method must match your wallet details. If something differs, edit those fields to avoid a declined transaction. Then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step both authorizes the payment and securely transmits tokenized card data instead of real card numbers. After authorization, after payment, confirm you receive Ticketmaster's order page and an email with tickets or a mobile delivery link. Save or screenshot the confirmation. If Apple Pay doesn't complete, first verify your card is active, the device has internet, and wallet region matches your Ticketmaster account. Make sure you're not using a VPN or outdated iOS. If problems persist, contact Ticketmaster to check the order status and Apple support to troubleshoot wallet tokenization so future purchases proceed smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.